Good morning. It is currently 10 a.m. in the morning. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through a productive day in my life. We're starting off the day with a wellness focused morning routine. Only one in the bus right now, so there's no one. So I have some college works to do today. They aren't picking up my calls, so I have to go to the college right now.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart.
Okay, so in this footage, as y'all can see, I was kind of sad, and I literally don't want to spell the fact that why I was sad, but yeah, I was sad and I thought to go for some dress shopping, so that's the plan for that. And every time I get sad, I always buy myself flowers or go get for some shopping. That's why I'm going to get myself some clothes and flowers. So here I am at the mall.
Between the shades, let the moonlight catch our summer escapades. I leave my backpack on your floor and hang my dripping towel from your closet door. This is reckless, this is so sweet. You said this won't matter in just a couple weeks, but this is worth it. This is poolsides, this is warm air. I think it's real life. You think you love me and you mean it. I said, God, that's inconvenient. Another night to add to my collection. Raise a glass to teenage affection. We've never been so young, and we won't be for another day. I said I think I love you too. Should probably I say, hey, 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 hey.
So I got this dress which is so cute. It's giving Indo-Eastern. I love the fabric and the design, so I got this. So cute.
In the silence of the night time, raindrops fall in love that gently landing on the wind.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. मैंने इस vlog का intro नहीं किया, so I thought to do that right now. Currently it's almost 6:30 and I got back home around 4 and it's totally dark outside. Also I got a new dress, so I'm so happy for that. Now I'm kinda hungry because मैंने सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं खाया. मैंने मूसली खाई थी and उसके बाद से मैंने कुछ भी नहीं खाया. So my mom ordered some food from a nearby restaurant. I'm gonna wait until the food comes and then I'm gonna have my brunch. I don't know what to say. Jobio, I'm gonna have the food because I am starving right now.
In the bend, melting away all the pain, drifting away on the sound of rain. I'm sleeping on your bedroom floor. I let my feelings wash ashore. You told me.
Hey guys, I am done with the workout and I am so freaking tired right now. I can't even talk. So I'm gonna take a bath because I'm feeling so sweaty. I need a bath. So yeah, I'm gonna take a bath and
Sure,
I'll
Charlie
see you guys
Brown. I
right
can tell
after
you what
that.
Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
I am fresh and clean out of the shower now. The shower post workout, it just hits different because you just feel so fresh and clean afterwards. So yeah, that's that. My hair is all wet. I'm gonna just let it dry for a while. Yeah. So today I'm not gonna have my dinner because I am already full because of the food that I had at the evening. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna have some maza and that's gonna be it. So no dinner for today. So I'm gonna journal right now because it's been a while. So I thought to journal and I'm gonna have the maza while journaling.
Never wanna leave, so don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless. I'm begging, please hold on. Maybe the reason tossing and turning is 'cause I'm scared one day you won't resolve. Keep on trying not let you know. Maybe I should just try. 'Cause I don't wanna have to let you go. So don't be so mad. I know that it's easier said than done, and it feels like it's hopeless.